how to remove the ABS module, also known as the cab, on a T1N Sprinter 2000 to 2006, even earlier in Europe. First thing we're going to need is Torx bit set. If you don't have a Torx bit set, sometimes using Torx bit drivers might be enough. You're going to need a T30 and a T20, Torx 20, Torx 30. Really important that you use these so you don't strip any bolts. If you're using a Torx set, then you want to use 1/4 inch driver, swivel, a short 3 to 4 inch extension. So we want to get to it from behind the light. First thing is to remove your grill. For the grill, you're going to have one make screw here. You're going to have plastic body trim tabs that you can pull out with a body trim remover, or you can even wiggle it and leave the tabs in there. And then you're going to have one T20 screw here, one T20 screw there. Go ahead and remove these two, the screws at the bottom and the main screw up top. Next, we want to remove the light, and to do that, you're going to have 4 T20 screws that go on each corner, and then 1 screw that holds this plastic, this metal trim. We'll go ahead and remove that. And also you would remove 1, 2, pull it out to the side this way. And then you can take the plug connector off. These can be kind of tricky on these older vans. They can break, so I would just recommend pulling out the light. And then setting it to the side. This is not a heavy light, so it'll be okay. Here we see the ABS module, also known as the cab, on Sprinters. It has 4 T20 screws on each corner. The first thing we want to do is we want to pull the tab up for the connector. You'll see the tab come up and then slide out. You'll hear it click. And then, unlike a lot of other connectors, this one comes out really easily. Put it to the side. Be careful not to get this dirty. That comes out very clean, and it has a seal, so you want to keep it that way. Now we have a total of 6 screws on the cab, on the ABS module pump. These are going to be T20. These 3 here are very easy to get to. The other 3, not as much, and I think it's much easier to get to it laying down from the bottom. You have a much better access. I've already loosened them up for the sake of time, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish pulling them off. Set them to the side. Once you have them loose, then you can just pull the cab out, and this is what you're going to send to get repaired. All in all, it's pretty easy. 10 minutes or less, you can get this stuff out.